Look at this.
I love you. Look at the sand. The sand is so pretty, dude. Look at it. You can barely even hold it in your hand and you squeeze it and it still just comes right back out. It's so beautiful. You like the sand, Jacob?
I love the sand.
Tell Mamaw hi. And you
Hi,
love her.
Mama. Missed you.
So you're having fun camping?
We're having fun camping.
So she'd love it, wouldn't she?
You would love it. And we're climbing a mountain.
Oops, sorry.
We climbed a mountain.
We left messages in the sand, too.
Yeah, we climbed a mountain.
There's a heart. Nice, pretty heart. Well, you kind of see it. Jacob's head's in the way. Nice, pretty heart. And then I like the write in it, too. Nope, I messed up. I need it flat. Hold on. Hold on, back up. You gotta get your shadow out of the way because I can't see.
What? Gray copper?
There.
Obviously, we're not supposed to do that.
Can you guys read it? It says, "Hi, Ohio." Have fun.
I hope they're having fun because we're even having more fun.
Yeah, but I miss me. Mom, tell her I miss her.
Justin.
Justin, that's for you. Says Justin.
God. She's having so much fun, aren't you, Judy?
Ew, it feels weird when you do this.
I'll stab in the ground.
No.
That says Kendra. Love you, girl.
Did you do, what's her name? Amber?
I'm going to.
Yeah. Dude, I just found a rock.
But look at this. This is big.
And that's for Amber. I love you, Amber.
Kelsey said, I love you, bestie. To Amber.
I said